Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G32 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example messages, notes, the browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen like that, and all we have to do right now is to enter the settings which are in this upper panel. Then let's tap on the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of currently other languages. We've got only English, so let's simply tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. Of course, you don't have to swipe just like I'm doing right now. Simply enter the search icon and type the name of the language you'd like to use. Let me pick, for example, Urdu one. So let me tap on it, and here let me pick the region. And as you can see, right here we've got the keyboard types from which we can choose. In my case, the Urdu language has 3 different layouts. So the kind of ABC keyboard, the Urdu one, and the handwriting. And it depends on the language, because sometimes you can pick from up to I believe 5 or 7 different languages, different kind of keyboard layouts. So that's quite cool. Basically, all you have to do is to mark the layout you'd like to use and untick this one which you don't want to use. So in my case, I will apply this Urdu one. Let's tap on Done. As you can see, the Urdu language has been applied to the list. So let's go back to the keyboard and check. And basically here we've got 2 differences. So the first one is the language key, which is right here, the globe icon, which will allow you to change the language, just like that. And we can also see the second difference, so the spacebar, it's not empty. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, so we've got the Urdu and the English. So basically this is how to add the language to keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added, you just want to have one. So then we have to enter the settings here, tap on the languages again, and here in this section we have to tap on this pencil icon in the right upper corner, thanks to which we can edit everything. Right now we can mark the language we would like to remove, and I will remove the Urdu one and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner again. And as you can see, we've got only English, so just like it was at the very beginning of this video, we do not have the globe icon. What is more, the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.